math lab and you're interested in watching the videos associated with the chapter and lesson that you have an upcoming homework assignment for. What you're going to do is in the left-hand navigation column for the course, you're going to select Multimedia Library. Once you do this, you need to select the chapter. We're going to go ahead and select Chapter 6, Factoring and Applications for this example. After we do this, we need to select the section. We'll select section 6.5 on special factoring techniques. It's important at this point that you select a media type before you select Find Now. In this case, we will go ahead and select All so that you may see what is available as a resource for you. You should see that there are 2 animations available. The multimedia textbook is available. There are 4 shorter videos. There's the chapter test prep video, and there's also the section video lectures. In this case, the video lecture is on special factoring techniques. This is the main video that you will want to watch before you begin your homework assignment. This will load the media player from Pearson in a second tab.
Hello, my name is Melissa Wisniewski, and today
you may also rewind or fast forward this video. The time for the video is shown in the bottom right-hand corner. You may close the tab to return to My Math Lab to go ahead and begin your assignments.